Everything we've been told about success is a lie. Wake up at 4 a.m. a cold showers. Grind for 12 hours straight. I tried it all. I drank the coffee. I scrolled the hustle culture videos, and honestly, I've never been more burnt out in my entire life. So, I did something crazy. I went to the second page of Google. I looked into the habits of history's most lazy geniuses, people like Einstein and Da Vinci. I found 3 forbidden habits that modern society calls wasting time. I practiced them for 30 days. Here's what happened to my brain. The first experiment I called the power of nothing. It's based on a Dutch concept called Niksen, which is literally the art of doing nothing. For 30 days, I forced myself to just sit for 20 minutes a day. No phone, no music, no books, just me, staring at a wall. Day 3 was physical pain. My brain was screaming for a notification, a distraction, anything. But then, on day 7, something weird happened. In the middle of that silence, I had my first truly original business idea in years. It just popped into my head, fully formed. Think about it. When was the last time you sat for even 10 minutes without your phone? Be honest and drop a comment below. Next, I tackled my energy levels with what I call monk mode scheduling. We think we need to work in long, uninterrupted blocks to be productive. But our energy doesn't work that way. It naturally dips. So instead of fighting it, I started working in focused 90-minute cycles, followed by a real break. I'm not talking about scrolling social media. I'm talking about a full disconnect. The twist. By working less, I was actually finishing more. My focus during those 90-minute blocks was insane. The before and after was like night and day. I went from being tired all the time to feeling consistently sharp and focused throughout the day. My final experiment was the information diet. This one was simple, but brutal. I deleted every single news and social media app from my phone. No more endless scrolling, no more outrage of the day, no more comparing my life to perfectly curated influencer feeds. The first few days felt isolating, like I was missing out, but then a sense of calm washed over me. Without all that external noise, my anxiety dropped dramatically. I stopped comparing myself and started focusing on my own craft, my own goals. My creativity skyrocketed because my brain finally had space to think its own thoughts. So, the 30 days are over. I didn't become a billionaire overnight, but I did regain something far more valuable: my time, my focus, and my sanity. I stopped chasing a version of success that was burning me out and started building a life that actually felt good. These lazy habits didn't make me less productive, they made me more effective. This video took 30 days to film and put together. If you got any value from it, please hit that like button. It really helps tell the algorithm that this kind of content matters. Thanks for watching.